Today, we are preparing a spinach avocado salad, a nutrient-packed dish that is both satisfying and refreshing. Along with its rich combination of greens and healthy fats, we are focusing on an important health principle: avoiding liquids with meals. As counsel for the Church 224 paragraph 5 advises, the more liquid there is taken with meals, the more difficult it is for the food to digest. With water-rich ingredients like spinach, you will naturally feel less need for additional liquid at the table. This helps to ease digestion and leave you feeling more refreshed after your meal. So let's dive into this simple, wholesome salad that nourishes your body while aligning with mindful eating practices. Blanching spinach before using it in your dish offers several benefits. It reduces the oxalates found in raw spinach, making it easier to digest and allowing your body to absorb more nutrients like iron and calcium. Blanching also helps maintain the spinach bright green color and tender texture. Adding a squeeze of lemon further enhances this benefit by boosting the absorption of iron through its vitamin C content and aiding in digestion while brightening the flavor.